Help support the companies that support our community. Robin and I had a great time, and we got to see some beautiful country. Again, Zac, thank you so much for everything and the tour around town. We even got to spend a little bit of time up at Lake Tahoe before we went back to Zac's shop and cast this plank. I'm mounting the blank on the chuck with a worm screw. It's pretty thin, so I used a little spacer so it didn't pop through the bottom. I'm using EasyWood's new negative rake cutters. These are designed for resin. I'm going to use both the round and square. You can tell how smooth it cuts. You just hold the tool level like you do with a regular cutter for wood. I didn't get one catch or chip the entire platter. I sanded the inside of the platter up to 1000 grit too before switching to the buffing wheels. Zac gave me some great tips on how to get just a beautiful polish on it. So what I did is I started with the triple E and did inside and out, and then finished it off with the white diamond. I'm very happy with how that turned out. The finish on it, it's 8.5 inches across. The colors on it, we were going for a sunburst effect. It looks so cool. And the aluminum honeycomb, it's just fun stuff. He's doing a lot of cool stuff with this. I'll put a link down below in the description to his channel, so go check that out. And he'll also have a casting video up on this on Sunday, so go check that out too. The Easy Wood negative rake cutters for resin. I have been doing tests on these for a couple of months now. It's just absolute joy. They make turning resin just a pleasure. So other than the mess I have to clean up now get it out of the ceiling and the rafters. It's they really are. You just hold the tool on center like any of the other tools. They just cut the whole platter, no chips, no catches. You might have noticed in some videos, older videos, I'm like holding the tool up at an angle, trying to create that to get a nice clean cut. But with these, right on center, and I haven't had to catch with them. Out of all the ones I've been testing, I haven't had to catch with them yet. So awesome. I'll put a link down below to those cutters in the description too. And for those of you who stuck around all the way to this point, the platter, if you would like a chance to win it, I will put a link down below in the description to Zac's Instagram. Go over and check that out. He just posted a picture of this in the comments. Leave the word Dunkin' Junk. On Monday, he will pick a winner for this, and I will mail it to that winner. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you're notified every time I have a new video. Till next week, take care.